Hey guys, Midwest Picker here. This is a what sold video. I sold 5 items in the last couple days, so I thought I'd put together a video. Sales have been kind of slow again for some reason. It's the beginning of September. Today's September 7. So for the last week, I did sell a lot. 2 here, 1 there, and then nothing. So I haven't sold anything in about 3 days, which is kind of odd. So the first item is an audiobook. I'll put the pictures right here. This is an audiobook on CD. Don't really recommend this. I picked this up at a Salvation Army for like 50 cents, sealed in the package. I checked the comps in the store. They weren't that bad, $9, $12. I had it listed for $14.95. I took a best offer of $10. I was just sick of holding on to it. I had it for maybe 6 months. Next item is a magazine. This one right here, Duke Nukem. I actually have several of these video games, PC games from back in the day. The big boxes when the PC games came in those. It's actually quite fun. But this was a magazine I got at an estate sale for free. So if you go to an estate sale, oftentimes you'll see like a wicker basket or a box. And if you look carefully, it will have a sign on it that says free. And there'll be magazines for like crochet magazines or hobby magazines, like woodworking magazines, things like that. They don't even try to sell this stuff. They just pile it in there and it says free. So actually, now that I think about it, this was a thrift store, a mom and pop thrift store in Muskegon, Michigan, where this was the wicker basket of free magazines. They just wanted to get rid of them. So my daughter was with me and she picked out some knitting magazines, and as she was flipping through, this one video game magazine was in there. I know anything video game sells. It doesn't matter what it is. T-shirts, hats, magazines, any merchandising for video games, especially any popular ones, will sell. So this one was kind of heavy, unfortunately. It was over £1 because it's such a big, heavy magazine. But it was free, so who cares if I have to eat a little bit of shipping. This one was, yeah, $16.95. On this one, I turned down several best offers. Somebody offered me $12. Somebody offered me $8. Once the offers start rolling in, you know you've got something good. So don't take lowball offers. Just wait it out. And eventually, I waited long enough and somebody paid me my asking price. So that was pretty cool. So I turned free into $16.95. Next one are these parts. I bought a bunch of these. I don't know, 14 of them for 25 cents each. This one, the picture doesn't show it right. I sold 2 of them, so it's about an $11 sale. Sliding screen door part. So it's 50 cents into, I don't know, about $11, which is not bad. The next one are these cassette tapes, Chicago. I love the band Chicago. I got these for 50 cents a piece. And I had them for, I believe, $16.95. It seems like a popular price. I took a best offer of $14. So I turned $1.50 into $14 on that. And the last one is this tie. This is a really good deal. This still had the tag, so it's considered brand new. Got it for 69 cents. And I had it for $18.95, and I took a best offer of $15. The tag was like 55 bucks, you know, retail price. But yeah, so 15 bucks from 69 cents, $16.95 from free, $11 from 50 cents, and the audiobook was $10 out of 50 cents. So I didn't spend a whole lot. I'll put the math up here of what I spent and what I earned. So that was pretty good. A lot of these items were super cheap. One of them was free. So I do have a lot of items I just sourced. I think I made a sourcing video earlier. I believe this is episode 32. So I'll let you know as those things sell too. I'm kind of excited to see what those are going to do, the items I got from Burley Park. So that'll be coming soon, hopefully, if I sell anything. So give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if this is your first time and you haven't subscribed yet. And leave comments below if you have questions. My Instagram is linked below. My email is below. So send me your questions. I'm happy to answer it. Even when I'm at work on my lunch break, I'll throw out some answers too. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.